The importance of semiconductor chips has grown exponentially over the past half-century. In 1969, the Apollo lunar module sent tens of thousands of transistors with a combined weight of 70 pounds to the moon. Today, an Apple MacBook crams 16 billion transistors within its total weight of just 3 pounds. The prevalence of chips will keep rising alongside the spread of mobile devices, the Internet of Things, 5G and 6G networks, and a growth in demand for computing power. Global chip sales were $440 billion in 2020 and are projected to grow over 5% annually. President Joe Biden calls them critical products whose supply chain disruptions can put Americans' lives and livelihoods at risk. While the governments of Japan and South Korea compare the importance of semiconductors to rice, TSMC's success in cornering this vital market has become a geostrategic migraine. The Pentagon is pressing the Biden administration to invest more in advanced chip making, so its missiles and fighter jets are not dependent on a self-ruling island that China's strongman President Xi Jinping believes is a breakaway province and has repeatedly threatened to invade. More immediately, a global chip shortage has impacted a staggering 169 industries. According to Goldman Sachs analysis, from steel and ready-mix concrete to air conditioning units and breweries, most drastically, automakers across America, Japan and Europe were forced to slow and even halt production, meaning 3.9 million fewer cars will roll into world showrooms this year than last. TSMC's dominance is such that its chief rivals are not companies but government. The auto industry shortage was a wake-up call for policymakers already reeling from the pandemic and trade war. The European Commission has unveiled a public-private semiconductor alliance aimed at increasing its share of global production to 20% by 2030. South Korea's government is offering incentives to drive a $450 billion investment by chipmakers through 2030.